Hello, we are the Espadon team, made up of 2 engineering students, Perrine Guérin and from ESILV. For Aqua.Bot competition, we have developed Aqua.Bot, an autonomous marine drone designed for marine offshore inspection and maintenance. Our projects respond to real challenges such as reducing cost, minimizing human risk, and increasing efficiency in difficult marine conditions.
Our project is based around 2 key functionalities. The first is autonomous navigation. Thanks to a pathfinding algorithm based on A star, our drone is able to move optimally towards the wind turbines while avoiding obstacles detected by GPS position and prop, even in a complex environment. The A star algorithm is a powerful tool in robotics for finding the shortest path by analyzing the distance traveled and estimating the remaining distance. The second feature is QR code reading. While using OpenCV, a library specializing in image processing to capture and interpret QR codes located on wind turbines, enabling us to gather information about their status. This makes image processing easier and faster.
This project permits to develop our project management skills and our skill in robotic and pattern programming, thanks to software such as ROS2 and Gazebo. We are convinced that the solution proposed by our drone could have a real impact for offshore maintenance. And we say thank you to Sirehna and Naval Group for this rewarding experience.